Hey Google, what's today?
It is Tuesday, the 11th of June 2019. Your birthday is today. Happy birthday to you.
As I clearly demonstrated that today's my birthday, and that's when I give you a tour of my room. I've updated big time from last time. For those who have been subscribed for a long time, you guys know that I really built this whole entire room. And a lot of things I'm going to be showing you in my room are going to be all in the links in the description down below. So now, I hope you guys enjoy my room tour version 4.0.
Have a better setup, waiting to fix my other projects, but since I unboxed everything, I'm just recording it. How's it going, YouTube? It's me, the Cool Loser, and this is my room tour setup build. Literally, I built this whole entire thing from scratch.
Okay, that clip that I just showed you was the other huge video that I made. It's almost at 2 million views. So most of my subscribers should be knowing about my build here in this whole entire room. It's a 12 by 16. Now I expanded it so much bigger, which I had recorded the whole demolition and expanding it, but that was just a video that would just be too long and just probably not that great to watch anyways. And on top of that, I did something crazier. I got rid of my 4K OLED TV, which was a 55-inch, for a 1080p projector. Why did I do that? Because the experience watching on a projector screen on a 92-inch, this is a whole 92-inch setup. Hopefully I didn't get copyrighted there, but I can watch any movie, any show, for free. Yes, I got a video showcasing this application here, but this app works on Android or Android emulators for PCs, and you can watch any movie, any show for free. With that said, this 1080p projector is still a better experience, especially when you're playing games, and not to mention watching movies on a big screen at your own home. And now let me talk about my phone panels here. It is made by Zoom, link in the description. I love their panels. I made a whole video last year about it, and it's still on my ceiling, that blue and black tile that it's up above. That is Zoom, and it's been up there, and I never had to re-glue it. It just sticks up there really nicely. But what I'm showing you here is I made a whole corner, so it, you know, the sound is more trapped in one little area, unlike the little smaller phone pieces. These phone pieces are more flimsy and they're cheaper, but they look good, but they're not as nice as the Zoom made. Links all in the description. And in this other half of this video is going to be kind of showing you the process of me setting everything up, what it looked like before. As you can see, my room was not very nicely painted. I didn't caulk many things. I just wanted to do the least amount of work, but with the best type of patch job, in a sense of making it look better than what it really is. So you can have your room looking way nicer, your office, whatever it is, to be this type of setup. So again, the point of this video is to share the growth and the difference that I've been doing in this room, and what it all does is give you ideas for your setup. So maybe you haven't seen this in anybody else's and you like what I have going on. So that's the real purpose, to showcase everything that I have going on here. A lot of the things I've been doing has taken a lot of time, but again, I'm not some kind of rich guy. I'm still living here around my house, at my mom's house. I built it on her property, so I'm not in her house, but I'm away, and it does feel like my own place. And just imagine when I have my own house, how teched out that house will be. And here I have this little Insta360 video camera that records in 5.7K, and I'm going to quickly turn this on and showcase the possibility of what it's going to do to help me do room tours like this, other projects, podcasts. Now here I'm going to press record right now. And we are recording. I'm going to press play. And we are recording. So this is recording what's happening right now. So I tend to use my monitor as a source of light. This is well enough for it. Now what I'm going to do is move this in the middle of my room so I can showcase you. Okay, as you can see, I'm away from the camera and it looks like it's floating right in the middle. The base of the stand that I'm using is not what it comes with. So if you hold it, it'll basically look like you're holding just nothing. After I've taken the video, and I can transfer the file onto the phone and get different positions. But if you wanted to pan in front of you, on top, behind you, below, whatever, you can alter it all after it's been recorded. So that's really cool to see that you can do all that. And I'm going to go walking up to it right now. Look how close I am. I could touch it from this far. It'll look a lot more wider, a lot more view in the view. I think it's amazing. It's really cool that I can showcase all this. Since I'm still testing it out and playing with it for the last week, I think it's pretty cool. I'm not an expert with it, but you saw what you can do. So now let me show you what I'm panning with my Panasonic Lumix G7. And there you guys have it. This has been my room tour version 4.0. There's 3 other videos that I've done updates on this whole entire room setup. I built it all myself. Customized, picked and chose every furniture in here from IKEA, Costco, Walmart. Almost everything I buy is online. Rarely do I buy locally now because it's just much cheaper buying online. Everything you've seen in this video and more will be included in the description down below. So if you like it for yourself, you already know what to do. Find it all in the description with other videos that I've done. And also to address why I haven't been doing a lot of videos this year, 2019, is because I've taken a huge break. I've been doing YouTube for 9 years. And I've been self-employed for 10 years, so this is like my 10-year anniversary of just relaxing, kicking it, enjoying what I've got, spending my money, vacations, figuring things out in life, and I am enjoying every last bit where I am right now. So 2020, I'm going to have to make a huge comeback on YouTube. So I hope I can have you guys for many more years to come. And always, I'm grateful for all your support. And on this day, my birthday, June 11th, I have 227,000 subscribers. Amazing. I know my subscribers don't reflect my views, and I know exactly why. But hey, I'm still happy no matter what. I'm enjoying what I'm doing here. So yeah, I got lots of plans in the future. My podcast, a lot of other projects I've been working on. Even though I describe myself as lazy, I have lots of other projects that I'm working on away from YouTube. Just because I'm not on YouTube doesn't mean I'm just literally just laying and sleeping, or I'm doing a lot of other things. I've gained a lot of weight because of my lifestyle, so I'm trying to change it and go back. And you don't work out because you're just doing all this stuff. It really does catch up on you, especially when you're getting older, and I'm 33 today, so it's not going to be any easier. So if you want to keep it down or maintain yourself, you got to make a difference. So yeah, I don't know why I'm saying all this. So yeah, I appreciate your support, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Later.